But let's start with feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. String from the crown to the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So we'll shake through the joints, starting with that left wrist, and up to the elbow, and all the way to the shoulder. Onto the right wrist, the elbow, and the shoulder, and shake both arms. Then standing on that right leg, we'll shake into the left ankle, and then to the knee joint, and all the way to the hip. Onto the right ankle, and the knee, and the hip. And bring feet back to hip width. So inhale, bring the arms up. Exhale, sweep the arms back as you bend the knees. Exhale down, inhale up. And just as dynamic as feels good for you. And then come back to standing. And we'll bring that right leg across the left, trying to get the toes in line if we can. Reach the right arm up, inhale. Exhale gently to the left. Come back to the middle. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale over. And back to center. Inhale and exhale as far as you can comfortably. Then bring the arm down and round. Onto the other side. Then bring that left foot over the right, toes in line. Left arm up. Inhale. Exhale to the right. Come back to center. Inhale. Exhale. And center. Inhale. Exhale over. Keep breathing. Bring the arm down and round. Alright, so we're going a little bit deeper into the joints. Start with that left hip. And belly button squeezed in. Find that focus point. Now we'll go the other way. We're moving on to the other side. Working into that right hip. You can just find that comfortable range. Shouldn't feel too awkward. And then we'll go the other way. Alright, now onto the left knee. So fingertips to the kneecap as you circle that lower leg. And the other way. Now onto the right knee. You can always have the opposite arm to help with a counterbalance. And the other way. Then onto the ankle, so you can either keep the leg low or holding onto the knee. And rotate into the ankle joint. And the other way. And finally onto the right ankle. So we circle one way and then the other. And bring that leg down. So standing pose, we'll start with a high lunge, right leg forward, left leg back. So those left toes are up, facing forwards, the left heel is up, right knee is bent. We can stay in the basic pose, or we're going to add a twist. So we'll bring the left arm up, twist towards the bent leg, and take the right arm behind, aiming towards that opposite thigh, over to the left thigh, or wherever you get to. Try and reach up with the other arm, fingertips to the sky. And now coming up, do the other side. So have the left leg forward, right leg back. So both sets of toes facing forwards. Back heel is up, front knee is bent. So we can hold there, and we'll add a twist. It would be the right arm reaching up, and then the left arm around the back, all the way to the opposite thigh. Try not to lean sideways. Try and keep the spine upright. Crown to the sky. And breathe. And we'll come on up. We'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. Shoulders back and down. String pulling you up towards the sky. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So just let the belly be soft. Notice the belly inflating on the in-breath. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.